what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple tulle skirt. All you will need is a roll of tulle, some elastic, I got gold embellished but you can use whatever kind you choose, a pair of scissors, and a tape measure. So the first thing you're going to do is measure the height of the table that you're going to use for this tulle skirt. So if the table is 30 inches high, then you want to double that, so 60 inches, and then add 2 to 3 inches just for extra leeway with tying the knot and everything. So a 30-inch high table, you would cut into 62 to 63-inch strips. So you're going to use the tape measure and go ahead and cut the entire roll into strips. So this is about how much tulle you get from one roll. If you have a longer table, then definitely you're going to need more than one roll of tulle. Or if you want it extra poofy, you will need more than one roll. Probably maybe 5 or 6 rolls. So just measure based on the table length. So what are you going to do? Take your elastic, unravel it, take one strip of your tulle, line up the ends of your tulle all the way back to the loop right there. You're going to hold that loop nice and tight, place the elastic in front of the tulle, and then you're going to pull the 2 bottom pieces through just like that, and then give it a nice tug downward and squeeze that together, tug a little bit more to have it nice and secure. Just like that, and you're gonna get the tops as close as you can. So this is how it looks, and then the more you put, the closer together it'll get. But if it shows, that's why I like to use some type of embellished elastic, because if it shows, it's like no big deal. Make sure you have enough tulle to keep it like nice and together. Like to do it this way, but you could definitely switch it up to where you have the little knot showing. You would just do the opposite. Let me show you. So you would take your loop, and instead of placing the elastic in front of it, you would place it in front of the elastic. And you're doing the exact same thing except backwards. So you have the loop, you're going to take your hands back here and pull it through. Just like that. Give it a nice tug. See? Both ways are cute, both ways are doable. So now you can see both options. This is flat, and this is the knot. Then you just go all the way around, and then once you get to the end and you want to place it on the table, you can make the 2 pieces of elastic meet. You can safety pin it, you can hot glue it, you can get a tablecloth and then glue this to the edge of the tablecloth. I mean, there's so many different options. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and I'll show you the finished product. So here's the finished product. This is what it looks like. You can add any type of flowers or embellishments that you want up top. You can add as much or as little tulle as you want. If it starts to rough up, just like finger through it, just to keep it nice and straight. But it's very girly, perfect for any occasion.